Hello, my name is Laura Carrenta, and I am the EL teacher here at Skyview Middle School and Elementary School. I wanted to make a quick video to introduce myself and explain what ESL class is and what we're doing. First of all, I wanted to say thank you for all the hard work you have been doing, not only as a parent, but also as a teacher during this time. I know that you are balancing a lot right now, either working from home or needing to go into work while trying to figure out how to help your child. You are doing a fantastic job, and I hope that you know that no one is expecting you to do this perfectly and that you are not alone. I currently co-teach 7th grade math with Miss Hooger, 8th grade science with Miss Van Overbeck, and 6th grade ILA with Miss McCuskey. So if you see another name on your student's schedule for these classes, that is why. In these classes, I offer bilingual students support by focusing on vocabulary words, working in small groups, and any other language support that is needed. Your child still receives the same content and gets extra English language practice and support. If you have any questions about those classes, make sure to watch the videos each of those teachers created. I also teach a separate ESL workshop class. This is for students that received a 2 or 3 on their spring access tests, or their teachers have said that an ESL workshop would be helpful. So a lot of our 6th graders are in this class to help them transition into middle school. In this class, we're working on studying academic vocabulary words and learning how to figure out the meaning of a word by looking at its parts. Right now we're working on using all of the words that we have studied so far to make a comic book and using very specific and technical vocabulary. In the next couple of weeks we'll be studying more academic vocabulary and writing, and there will be an end of trimester assessment, so keep an eye out for that. As of this video, grades have been updated. So please use Campus, not Schoology, to check grades because that is the official place to check grades. We have gone over a midterm checklist, so your students should know what they're missing and how to get caught up. Thank you again for all that you do for your child and their education. You can send me questions on my email at lkorynta@isd622.org. All right, have a great day. Thanks for stopping in. Bye.